Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 164th edition release, and I am starting out with the Strawberry Fairy Friends Ephemera, and hopefully you can see everything there. Just adorable ephemera. I want to say there's 5 each. If not 5, it's 4, but I'm almost certain it's 5. You get a lot in this ephemera pack, and it's so super cute. And as you can see, the little girls have strawberries, and you have some strawberry fairies. Just an adorable set. And we also have another ephemera pack. This one's called Strawberry Fairy Add-ons, and it coordinates with those strawberry fairies. Just too cute. Love the paper there. That's just adorable. And I really like this one. Anyways, hopefully you can see everything there. And we're going to get into the rest of her release. Next up, we have You're the Very Best Stamp and Die Set. Really cute set. Hopefully you can see all of those words there, or sentiments there. And it also comes with the dies. Really cute set. And this strawberry basket is probably my favorite basket of all times. I really like this. This detail on this basket is so perfect, it almost looks embossed, and I love it. But really cute set there. And then we have the Chunky Arch Layers. Love this set as well. So you'll have the ones with the scallop on one side, and then we have the layers that you can lay right in the inside that I have on the back side of that. Really cute set. Love this. Love it. And then next up, we have the Strawberry House Dies. And I really like this set. Hopefully you can see it. Let me turn it this way. This is actually the layer that goes on top there, but really like that set as well. Too cute. Also comes with some leaves, and you can decorate the house with a window, the door, and then we also have like a heart handle for the door or a circle for the door, and then the top layer. But really cute. And then last but not least, we have the Strawberry Blossom 2026. Love this. Now this comes with, it comes with 24 sheets total, 4 of each design. However, what Miss Emma did this time is that she put paper on the back side of this top layer and on the bottom side of this bottom layer. So you actually get 2 extra pieces of paper in that set. So for a total of 26 papers. And so let's go through the papers. So here we go. We have some, this is pretty much almost all strawberries, at least for the first layer, and then the back layer is like gingham. But love that. So pretty. This one's polka dots. And then here goes another one there. Just gorgeous papers. And it goes perfect with the theme. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that green. This is probably my favorite. And I did not use this one, but it has little bows. When you get it, you can see the bows. It's bows and strawberries. Just too cute. And then they have the pink stripes there. And then there goes that one. Bunch of strawberries. Love that. And then this one here, really cute. And then this is that back side of that paper there. So like I said, instead of 24, you're actually getting 26 because you can use that back side of that paper, so none of the paper goes to waste. Love that. I'm just going to go back right now. There was one item I forgot to show you. We have the Berry Love epoxy stickers, and I forgot to show you those. These are so cute. It almost have like a strawberry design in there, if you can see it, but it is so cute. And I forgot to show you those, so I did use those. In addition to that, these are the extra items that I'm using. So we have the 2mm flat back pearls. I have half back pearls, but flat back pearls. I don't think I used the bigger ones this time, but I may have. If so, those are 4mm. And then we have the tiny bows and butterfly plate. party banner dies, flower petals die plate, create a treat bag, flower pot house add-ons, beach gingers 2, and rectangle frame die layers. So those are all the items, the extra items that I'm using. And this lovely card here is probably my favorite card for real. I love this with those ephemera packs. This is the add-ons, and this is the actual strawberry. This is the actual strawberry fairy ephemera. But love that. And then I have Berry Glad We're Friends, and that came from the Berry Stamp and Die set. So really cute. And there goes one of those epoxy stickers. Oh, just so cute. Look at all that glitter on there. Love it. And then there goes the inside. It got a little butterfly on top of there. And it's just so pretty in the inside. Love that. I didn't do stickers on there. I usually add the stickers after I've layered everything down. Or not stickers, but glitter. And so that didn't get on top of there. But anyways, really cute. I love it. Look at all that sparkle. And like I said, I did fussy cut, and as you can tell, and layered that right on top to give it some dimension. Love that. Okay, next up, we have the Strawberry House dies. I love these. It's just so cute. I thought I would make two things. I made this as an A2 size card, and so you can kind of get the feel of what that's looking like. These are just add-ons that I put on there, the rock dies from one of the sets that I showed you. Anyways, I love those little leaves, and I used the ephemera add-ons, and I just made a little flower on the side, and as you can tell, you can see all that sparkle. I also added it in the flower there. Love that. It's just so cute, adorable. And then I used the heart for the door, but love those layers. There goes my little butterfly there, and then there goes the inside of the card there. Like I said, this is A2 size, so you can kind of see the feel of how that layers on top of there. And then this one I made as a shaped card. Love the little girl. She's looking up at that butterfly. Full of joy and berry wishes. Love that. And then what I did was I cut part of her, I cut part of the design off, and I used that little strawberry there. I just popped it right there. And I also added the glitter on everything. As you can tell, everything is just so sparkly. And I did pop up the butterfly in the back. Added some stickles on top of my flower there. And I just added that little embellishment on top of there. Full of joy and berry wishes. And this one says love grows here. And I love both of them. Both of them are just so cute. And next up we have the basket, that strawberry basket. This is absolutely adorable. Like I said, look at the detail on that basket. Love it. Sending very big hugs your way. That's the sentiment I use. And if you've seen my picture at the beginning, I had a $10 bill stuffed down in there. I actually made this to either house money or even the gift card. So you can just pop it right down in there, just like that. But I thought the money looked better, so you can check out the picture at the beginning of the video, or I'll have a picture at the end of the video as well. But love this. This is where I pulled out that the beach gingers, and used her her blanket as a layer back there. And then these are the ephemera add-ons, the strawberry ephemera add-ons. Love that. I did add a little butterfly down here, if you can tell, and I also added the little flat back pearl there. Just super cute. Love the papers. Love, love, love that. And then I also added those Berry Love epoxy stickers there. And then there goes the inside of that one. But it is just so pretty. So, so pretty. Love that. Then last but not least, of course I had to make a little box out of this basket. It is just adorable. I used the banner dies here. And then I also used the tiny bows there. Oh, I did use the 4mm little pearl there. And then the hello from those Stamp and Dies. And look at that little fairy. She is just sparkling. Love it. And then that's where I put the creative bag add-on, treat bag. And then there goes the other side. Little different, but still the same, just a different little fairy on this side. But isn't she cute? Those fairies are adorable. Adorable. With the strawberries, just too cute. Too cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, that's all I have for you. Remember, tomorrow we have the release, hop, and sale. So make sure you're leaving a comment, 18 years old or older, and subscribe to everyone in order to win the $50 gift certificate that she will give out. I think that's about it. All of the links will be down below, as well as my Creative Time store. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you visit everyone. All right, that's it. Oh, and go over to Instagram on tomorrow as well. Today too, but tomorrow they're also included in the hop too. I think that's it. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.